ran into a little hiccup over here.
Serious problem, guys.
Serious problem. We realized that the threads to the crank were stripped. Now, when that happened, we're not sure, but we're trying to rethread it here with the tap. And hopefully we can get it to work. Because if not, reman or what?
Fuck no, we're taking this bitch to the junkyard.
So here we are. We're making some new threads on the crank. Because the machine shop, we're guessing it was probably the machine shop. We don't actually know for sure, but most likely it was, right? They stripped the threads, so we're making our own here.
Might have been Mike.
Yeah, it probably was Mike. Mike probably saw our amazing progress on YouTube and came over here in the dead of night.
Right? Stripped the shit out of it with his basketball shorts.
His basketball shorts. So what we're doing here is just kind of moving slowly, backing out, then going back in. Apparently that's what they say you should do on the YouTube.
Say that again for the camera?
Do your thing, dog.
No, before, what did you say before that?
What did I say?
You said you had no battery on your phone.
Oh, I got no battery on my phone.
So this guy takes a whole year to come and help me out. And then he shows up with no camera, no stand, no battery on his other camera.
Hey, I'm working though, right?
Man, look how this guy's dressed, man. Look at him, he's all nice and fancy, looking all hair slick to the back with some moco gorilla. Some fucking grease.
Some grease. Hell yeah. It's getting tight. I think we hit the end.
Okay.
Let's see.
Don't tighten it too much, man.
What do you think? Back out or what?
Yeah, back out.
So this is some good stuff, man.
Yeah.
I thought that was the end. I thought we hit
Whoa. What happened to the camera?
What happened?
I don't know. It just...
Did you move it or what?
No.
There it is. Come on, dog. So check this out. So we didn't get this on camera, but last time we couldn't thread this bolt in. And then we had rented this puller set. And this is supposed to be the one. And it wouldn't thread in either. But now, you know, when the big boys show up. That's not it. That's not it.
Yeah, that's a yeah.
This is
Hey,
it.
take two, dog.
Take two. This is it. Now we got it threading in, so we're good, man.
Yeah, man.
We're good. Let's get that harmonic balancer on. What do you say?
I say we do it, man. Don't be afraid to use this tap and die set, man. It's pretty simple.
Yeah, all the videos on the internet, everybody seems kind of, you know, hesitant and says to be real cautious.
It's simple, man.
Just simple.
Thread the damn thing in.
Hell yeah.
Nice and slow.
This guy's over here getting all
Nutty.
This guy's got jokes today, man. I think we might need to put we might need to put that on there. Let me give you a little helping hand here. So here we go. We're using the crank puller. Being big boys now, you know what I'm saying?
It ain't working.
What do you mean it ain't working, dog? This guy, it's not working. The only thing that's not working is you, dog.
Your brain, dog. Hey, you don't get to talk shit like that, bro. You haven't been here in a year.
Well, I fucked up the harmonic balancer tool.
Yeah, don't tell AutoZone.
And this is because I failed to
wait. Yeah, to wait.
Instead of looking up a video, I took matters into my own hands and ended up stripping.
You just told guys not to be afraid to use these tools. You know, they're fucking it up. So we rethreaded the bolt, man.
So the crank's fine, but now we got a problem with this right here. And so now
I'm working my magic and making it work.
Yeah.
Cool, now get your big fucking wrench.
We don't have a big wrench. We never found one. That's what happens when you don't have the right tools.
Right.
But when you do have the right tools, everything's nice. Here we go. Fucking channel locks.
Easy, give me the smallest ones, bro.
They should work though.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna hold it.
Bro, you got one more notch.
Yeah, but it's this whole thing's not supposed to turn.
It's turning?
Yeah, it's turning.
Well, where's that here.
Well, that's why you're supposed to hold it. Help me hold it, dog. Do something with your life.
Go. Oh, watch out. Don't fucking getting all fucking crazy and shit over here.
As far as we get the harmonic balancer?
What's the verdict? Fool, that thing's got to go all the way in. Hold on.
No, I'm ready. When I'm ready, dog. Come on, let's go.
Oh!
What the fuck? Take this guy elsewhere. What the fuck?
God damn, dude, you're like freaking gonna rip my arm off over here.
What's happening? Hold that shit.
I'm trying. Oh my.
I need a new partner, man. Anybody willing to get a new partner?
You're hiring or what?
I'm hiring, guys. This guy's fired. Hiring. Anybody want to come work with me? Rebuild some engines, man.
Fool, you talk too much.
Fireman, you can't come in fucking bougie jeans and bougie glasses. Guys, you know those glasses are not to see right. They're just for
show?
They're just for show.
Damn, how did you know, man? God damn.
Ready?
No.
You want to use a pipe, dude?
That's what I was looking for. There you go. See? Man, who's a big guy now, huh?
That was my idea, by the way. For you guys staying at home, man, start taking your engine apart.
Rebuild it, even though if you
shit, dog.
Even if it doesn't need to be rebuilt, just rebuild it.
That way, when we're able to go back to work, you got a brand new fucking engine.
Right.
I think that's it.
You think that's it, fool? We're missing like a good foot back there.
On the way, dog. He fucking stripped it, so it can't go anymore.
So we just keep running into problems, huh?
Yeah, it's your fault.
This crank or harmonic balancer process is beginning to be a nightmare. So this little piece that's supposed to go in there is now stuck in there. Oh man, you didn't get it?
Nah, I didn't get it, bro. Go ahead, try it. You try.
Look at this. You got it somehow. How'd you get it?
With the fucking pliers,
With
man.
these?
Yeah.
God damn. This is the problem here. This thing got stuck in there all the way, and we were having a hard time trying to figure out how to get it out. But this guy, I don't know what he did, and he got it.
For the next guy, just make sure you leave a couple of threads out, man. That's a smart way to do it.
Yep.
You leave a couple of threads out.
You don't think it would have tightened though by itself?
Nah, I wouldn't have tightened it by itself. Leave like 2 threads out. Tighten it and then just reverse it 1 or 2, and then it'll be that much easier to get out. Yeah.
All right. Homeboy says it's prime time.
Prime time.
So it's time to get her all lubed up. Got this oil pump primer tool. So we're gonna go ahead and get that set up.
So for those of you guys that are wondering how we set these valves, try your best to keep those push rods in order. It helps out, man. And the way I did it was I tightened each and every one rod until it barely spin, and then I turned it half, and then I tightened again till they barely spin. Some will get loose, so you just tighten them down until they no longer spin anymore, the rods. So yeah, it's kind of a tedious process. Maybe we'll make a video on that, man.
Yeah, for sure. Knowledge, dog. Well, we're gonna get her lubed up right now. He's gonna start pouring oil in there. I'm assuming this is the right way to do this. So he's gonna pour that. We got the oil filter on down here. Just put that sucker on. All right, here we go. Prime time. Is it spinning?
No, because I haven't set it in right.
There you go. There you go.
Already broke the shaft, man.
There you go. All right, so we're trying to prime the engine right now. We got the rocker arms over here. We're getting lubed up. Only thing is we got a problem on this side. I don't see any oil. We got this one right here. Shooting oil out. The rest aren't though. We got oil coming out of that one now. We turned it over a few times, or like once. I guess it depends on the position, right? Of the crank, because there's none coming out of these anymore.
The battery died.
Oh, I was like, why'd you stop?
Fucking battery died, dude.
Well, anyways, we saw oil coming out of all the rocker arms. This side was looking really good. You still see it dripping over here.
Hey, they feel good now. Yeah, I think that's the way it was, man.
Oh yeah, yeah. So I guess maybe we just had to. We rotated the engine over about maybe what, 2 turns?
2 turns.
About
two full turns.
About 2 full turns. We got some oil coming out of here, anyways, too. So this balance shaft doesn't allow this part right here to sit properly in there like it should, but it didn't give us any problems. So
that's it, man.
That's it. So it's primed up. Harmonic balancer's on.
Yeah,
so
right.
Next time we'll try to put the intake manifold and maybe try putting some of the pulleys and stuff back on.
For sure.
Anyways, so we're gonna end the video off here. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.